Hello students, welcome to the class of Digital Circuits and Microprocessor. Today's topic is Addressing Modes of Microprocessor 8085. The instruction of the microprocessor 8085 consists of three parts. Operation to be performed, that is called as opcode, address of source of data, which is a operand, and address of destination of result. In 8085, most of the instruction execution requires two operands. For example, move A, B. In this, MUP transfer the data between two registers. How the MUP knows the position of these operands? So, the method of identifying the operand position by the instruction format is called as a addressing moves. Whenever two operands are involved in an instruction, the first operand is assumed to be any register of the MUP itself, and second operand may be the general purpose register of the microprocessor, or the external memory location, or the immediately available in the instruction. So, from this, we define the addressing modes as the way of specifying data to be operated in an instruction is called as a addressing modes. There are five types of addressing modes available in 8085. Immediate addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, and implicit addressing mode. First type is immediate addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the data which is required to execute the instruction is immediately given in the instruction. If the 8-bit data is given in the instruction, then instruction will be of the 2 bytes. If the data is of 16-bit, then instruction will be of 3 byte. The examples of immediate addressing modes are MVI B, 45H. It means MVI means move immediate data, which is 45H is immediately given in the instruction that MUP has to transfer to register B. Means 45 is the data required to execute the instruction and B is the destination register. It means 45H data is given immediately in the instruction. Another example is LXI H, 3050H. In this instruction, 16-bit data is given along with the instruction. It means it is a 3-byte instruction. The meaning of this instruction is load HL pair with the operands 3050H immediately. It means 3050H is a data required to execute the instruction is given immediately in the instruction. Okay, so these are the examples of immediate addressing mode. Now, next addressing modes is direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, the data to be operated is available inside a memory location, and that memory location is directly specified as an operand. It means whatever data which is required to execute the instruction is present in memory, right, and the address of that memory location is given along with the instruction. The example of addressing mode is LDA 2050H. The meaning is LDA means load accumulator. Load accumulator with the memory data whose address is 2050H, or load the contents of memory location into accumulator. Next example is LHLD address. It means load the content of 16-bit memory location into HL register pair. So in this addressing mode, the address of memory location is given in the instruction in which your data is present. Okay. Now next is the register addressing mode. In register addressing mode, the data to be operated is available inside the registers and the name of that register is given along with the instruction. The example of register addressing mode is move A, B. It means move the content of register B to register A. It means your data which is required to execute the instruction is present in register B and the name of that register is directly given in the instruction called as register addressing mode. Another example is add B. Add the content of register A and B and store the result in register A. Means you have to add the contents of register A and B. It means your data is present in a register and name of that register is given along with the instruction. So this is a register addressing mode. Next is the resistor indirect addressing mode. In resistor indirect addressing mode, the data to be operated is available inside a memory location and that memory location is indirectly specified by a resistor pair. It means whatever data which is required to execute the instruction is present in a memory and address of that memory is present in some register pair and the name of that register pair is given along with the instruction. The example of register indirect addressing mode is LDAXB. The meaning of this instruction is move the content of BC register to the accumulator. Another example is LXI H, 9570H. It means your data which is required to execute the instruction is present in the memory location, right? And the name of that memory location is given in the instruction, which is called as a register indirect addressing mode. Now the last addressing mode is implied or implicit addressing mode. In implicit or implied addressing mode, the operand is hidden and the data is to be operated is available in the instruction itself. It means in this implicit addressing mode, your source of data and the destination of result is fixed. For example, the CMA. CMA means complement accumulator. Complement the content of the accumulator. Means your data is present in accumulator and result is also present in accumulator. It means your source of data and destination of result is fixed here, which is your accumulator. Another example is RRC, rotate accumulator right by 1 bit. It means your data is present in accumulator and MUPI has to rotate that data and whatever the result is present again in the accumulator. Last example is RLC, rotate accumulator A left by 1 bit. In this example also, your source of data and destination of result are fixed. This is called as implicit or implied addressing modes. So these are all 5 addressing modes of 8085. Thank you.